Welcome you all. Today we are going to talk about another idiomatic expression, and that is born with a silver spoon in one's mouth. Born with a silver spoon in one's mouth, which means born into a very wealthy family. इसका उर्दू में मुंह में चांदी का चम्मच लेकर पैदा होना, यानी कोई इंसान जो है बहुत ही अमीर पैदा हुआ हो, वहाँ पे हम ये इडियम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. How we are going to use it in sentences like she may have a lot of money, but she earned every penny herself. She wasn't born with a silver spoon in her mouth. So we have used here born with a silver spoon in her mouth. Here is another sentence or situation. Samantha was born with a silver spoon in her mouth. There is always someone to pay her bills if her inheritance isn't enough. So once again we have used here born with a silver spoon in her mouth.